Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you are all well. So let's start today's video. So this is the glitter I am using, and this mold is by Into Resin. I am in love with this mold. It is perfect for this Christmas season, making an ornament. So this is an angel ornament. So I am making it my way. I am using glitter that I showed you. You can use whatever glitter you like. And I am pouring the glitter on the wings and in the middle and then on the bottom. This mold has so many amazing details, and I wanted to justify them without using too much glitter or any color combination. I don't want to distract the original design of the angel here. So this is the first one. I will be making more of these. So this is the first one. For the head part of the angel mold, I am using these AB crystals, so they have a little bit of iridescent to them. So this is perfect into the resin for creating that high-end resin items. So I'm using this one. I'm going to pour a little bit of resin into the center first. And the resin that I'm using here is a low viscosity resin. After putting a little bit of resin, I'm selecting the side where the iridescent is, the AB rhinestone. You can see that. So I've added that, and now I'm going to fill this up with the clear resin. I'm just adjusting it. And now I will be pouring the clear resin into the mold very slowly. For a lovely glitter effect, you can leave this to cure and then add the clear resin. I am going to add the clear resin at the same time because I'm going to create a sort of effect here. After adding the resin, I have mixed white pigment paste into very little resin, and I'm going to add that. So it's going to be creating an effect, just making a free form layered angel here. So just into the center, I'm going to pour a very thin layer, just a simple in the center white, like this. I don't want it to be too white, so that is enough. And then I'm going to pour some clear resin on top. Here we go. And very gently I'm filling up the mold. And you can see that when I pour the clear resin into the center, it is creating and moving the white. Just making sure that I fill that up. And this is done now, and I will leave this to cure, and then I will see you next day. So I used a very low viscosity resin here, so I was just seeing that how it is behaving because I added a white resin in the center, so it is moving the resin. So I'm going to leave this to cure now. So this is the next day, and I'm so excited to see how this angel turned out. And we get some texture. Yeah, glitter moved a lot, but still we will see what's on the other side. So very carefully I am removing it out of the mold. Yeah, it is a bit on the softer side, but I couldn't wait so more. And here we go, it is out of the mold, and this is how it's looking like. I am loving it, and the crystal on the top and then the glitter, and here you can see the white has created some lacy effect on the bottom of the dress. It is very beautiful, and I'm going to make more of these. And I'm loving this mold. And also I have an exciting news for you. Into Resin is giving 25% off this festive season. So if you like to treat yourself, go grab the deals. There are so many amazing molds on the website. I'm going to put everything in my description. So it is a treat. If you want to order some molds, 25% discount is a lovely treat for you. So there is a hole that I'm going to drill now. So this is a very lovely drill by Let's Resin. I'm going to do a full review on this. I'm really loving it because it is cordless. Just take care of yourself. I do work and drill my jewelry items, so I am professional at this. So let's see the final look. So here it is outside in the sun, and we were lucky to have sunny day today. And I added a little ribbon on the top. You can add any color of the ribbon you like, and then I added a golden bead and the sunshine on the angel. It is a perfect capture here. I am loving it. I think this is a lovely mood for Christmas, so go grab yourself with the 25% off. It is a good deal. So I kept on playing with this angel, and adding the glitter was the perfect choice. But I'm thinking for the next one, I'm going to add some crystal in the center, actual crystal like amethyst, rose quartz, because I'm going to play a little bit with this mold. It has so many possibilities. So that's it for today, and I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.